In this video, I'll show you how to set up Ledger Live for the first time. First, download and install Ledger Live on your computer or mobile device from the official Ledger website. Once the installation is complete, open the application. Next, choose Get Started, read and accept the terms, and select whether you're setting up a new Ledger device or restoring an existing one. If you're using a new device, choose the option to set up a new ledger. After that, connect your Ledger hardware wallet when prompted, and follow the on-screen instructions to create a PIN code and securely write down your 24-word secret recovery phrase. Store the recovery phrase in a safe offline location and never share it with anyone. Now complete the genuine device check to verify that your Ledger device is authentic. Once the verification is finished, open the My Ledger section and install the apps for the cryptocurrencies you want to manage. Finally, add your crypto accounts in Ledger Live so you can receive, send, buy, sell, stake, and manage your digital assets securely from one place. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Ledger Live for the first time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.